Get ready to discover 20 amazing tools that take innovation to the next level. From brilliant designs to powerful machines, these tools make tough jobs look effortless. Let's dive in. The LEVMATIC battery plier makes tile leveling faster by automatically tightening wedges with consistent pressure, reducing hand fatigue on large installations. Its brushless motor, adjustable tile thickness settings, and lightweight cordless design help professionals achieve perfectly level tiles with less effort and more speed. The 4-in-1 digital circuit breaker finder quickly locates breakers, tests outlets, detects live voltage, and includes a built-in LED work light. Smart Learn Mode speeds panel identification, making electrical troubleshooting faster, safer, and far less frustrating. The PRO40AD is a compact magnetic drill engineered for tight spaces where larger drills won't fit. Weighing only 10 kilograms, it delivers powerful 40mm drilling capacity, advanced magnetic adhesion for secure operation, and intelligent safety features, making precision drilling easier in challenging work environments. The hollow wall anchor provides a strong, secure fixing for plasterboard with a one-size design that fits virtually any drywall thickness. Its optimized locking mechanism delivers reliable holding power, easy installation, and clear feedback, making medium to heavy-duty mounting faster and more dependable. The Wagner Levaro Powerbrush, 18 volts, makes outdoor cleaning quick and effortless with dual rotating brushes, an integrated spray system, and cordless convenience. Designed for patios, decks, and driveways, it lifts dirt while gliding smoothly across surfaces, making routine cleanup feel far less like a workout. The Total 20 volts cordless spray gun delivers smooth, even paint coverage with adjustable spray pressure and an impressive 800 milliliters per minute flow rate. Designed to handle thick coatings and precise edge work, it helps complete painting projects faster with a clean, professional finish. The Hitten Tile Cutter delivers fast, accurate manual cutting for ceramic and porcelain tiles with smooth scoring and powerful braking action. Its rugged yet portable design helps tile installers achieve clean, professional cuts on the job without slowing down their workflow. The Total 20 volts cordless vacuum cleaner delivers powerful suction with dual cleaning modes, a spacious 0.7-liter dust container, and a durable stainless steel filter. Complete with multiple nozzles and extension tubes, it tackles dust and debris quickly, proving cordless doesn't have to mean powerless. The Hide Skimming Tool Kit helps create smooth, professional drywall finishes with lightweight skimming blades that spread joint compound quickly and evenly. Featuring replaceable stainless steel blades, ergonomic handling, and a durable storage case, it makes large finishing jobs faster while keeping arm fatigue to a minimum. The CC Cordless Right Angle Die Grinder delivers high-speed, brushless performance for grinding, polishing, deburring, and engraving without the hassle of air hoses or compressors. With adjustable speeds, dual batteries, and a lightweight design, it's built for precision work wherever the job takes you. The Coax Cable Crimper Tool Kit makes installing and repairing coaxial cables quick and precise. Featuring adjustable stripping blades, carbon steel construction, and compatibility with RG58, RG59, and RG62 cables, it helps create clean, reliable connections without turning cable prep into a guessing game. The 20 volts brushless power tool combo kit combines a drill, impact driver, and wrench in one interchangeable system for maximum versatility. With powerful brushless performance, variable speed control, built-in LED lighting, and quick change heads, it handles drilling, fastening, and repair jobs with ease. The Flymo EasiHover 300 glides effortlessly on a cushion of air, making mowing slopes, tight corners, and uneven lawns quick and easy. Its cordless 36-volt design, compact grass collection system, and foldable storage make lawn care simpler, proving grass really is greener when it's easier to cut. The Dumper Jet electric wheelbarrow moves heavy loads with ease, carrying up to 500 kilograms while navigating tight spaces and rough terrain. Its battery-powered design delivers quiet, low-maintenance performance, reducing operator effort and proving that even wheelbarrows can get a serious power upgrade. The Spotlight delivers up to 5,000 lumens, with a powerful beam reaching half a mile for search, navigation, and emergency use. Waterproof, floating, and rechargeable, it offers multiple lighting modes and dependable performance when darkness refuses to cooperate. The MODbox modular storage system securely stacks and organizes tools with durable, interlocking cases. Its customizable design simplifies transport, protects equipment, and keeps every tool within easy reach. These Portland S5 Wellington boots provide dependable protection with a steel toe cap, puncture-resistant midsole, and fully waterproof construction. Built for demanding work sites, they offer excellent grip, shock absorption, and all-day comfort, keeping your feet dry even when the job gets messy. The Uline standard Janitor cart keeps cleaning supplies organized with spacious shelves, tool holders, and a large zippered waste bag. Smooth rolling wheels and a roomy bottom platform make transporting buckets, trash cans, and equipment easy, helping cleaning crews work faster with fewer trips. The GS Lock Engineer's scale combines an extra-rigid steel blade with dual-sided metric and inch markings for accurate, reliable measuring. Its durable armored case and quick-fit belt holder make it a dependable job site companion that's always ready when precision matters. The H&HS 1000 is a high-performance synthetic fluid grease that penetrates deep into moving parts while providing exceptional adhesion and long-lasting lubrication. Its drip-resistant formula reduces wear, dampens noise and vibration, and stays firmly in place even under high-speed, heavy-load conditions. Thanks for watching. Which tool impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tools and incredible technology. See you in the next video.